but it's quite nice and clean, like kind of like a lake water, I would say. Very beautiful. Thank you. These boats are hotel?
Yeah, this boat we go Aswan, yeah, hotel.
It's a hotel.
And have a swimming pool.
They go to Aswan.
We go to Aswan for 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah, 1 way, 2 nights, 3 days.
Okay.
1 way.
Nice, nice.
2 way, 1 week.
Nice.
6 nights.
Nice.
It's nice, it's nice.
So these are the boats. There is basically hotels, floating hotels. They take you to Aswan from Luxor, I think, in a few nights, and then they can bring you back, or you can get out there as well. No problem. Fast, slow. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
You pay money, I make nice friends.
Thank you, thank you. All right, we made it to Banana Island, but in reality, this is not actually island. This is the mainland, but the island, this is the island basically. When you look at the Google Maps, this is what you see as an island on the Nile. But seems like this whole area is called Banana Island, and all the plantations and things that we have to see is located in here. So we're gonna go check it up to see what we find. All right, we have it. Thank you. This is safe?
Yeah.
It doesn't go away, no?
No.
Maybe we end up without boat. We have to swim back to the hotel. Do I pay you now or later?
You won't pay me now.
I pay you now? Okay. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. Take one more, and take one more. 6. 6 for you, okay?
1 again, because the bark there.
Sorry?
1 again, because for the bark.
But we said 450, right?
Okay. We only finish. We only finish if you.
Okay, take 100. I give you 700, okay?
Thank you.
No more. Finish.
No,
Okay.
finish.
Okay,
It's
thank you.
Finish now.
All right, thank you.
I will finish. Tell your friend.
All right, thank you. So you say during the afternoon, like 11, 12, this is so busy here.
Busy here. So
Right now, no
that's
tourists.
full. No, not yet. Because
Not yet.
You're lucky, man.
Okay.
Because many tourists bring it. When you see many tourists, you decide.
Yes, okay.
You know?
Okay.
This is mango tree.
This
mango.
is a mango tree. Right.
Mango.
Oh, very nice.
That.
It looks so tropical here. Very good. This Nile River is a life for Egyptians, right?
Yeah.
It's
No
the-
Nile, no life.
No
Because
lie.
they
Yeah,
are
you're
desert.
right.
Desert country.
Only desert, yeah.
Yeah,
But
it-
now you have trees and
Yes,
greenery.
but you have a problem with Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Yeah. Oh, because
Okay.
yes, for Haydam. The new Haydam.
They're building the.
Haydam,
Okay.
Ethiopia.
Okay. They're building
It
electric
make a problem
station.
for us.
Yeah.
But if make a problem, we go to bush.
Yeah, you're right. Yes. Everything can be fixed with
Yes.
fighting.
This is orange.
This is
But we
orange
fix
tree.
it.
Nice.
We fix it without a problem.
Yeah, wonderful. Oh, we have got toilets for the tourists. I think from the number of toilets you can guess that it's very touristic area and it can be very crowded.
Mahmoud,
Salam alaikum.
we need
Salam
me, I walk
alaikum.
with you.
Yeah, show me. Banana
Ahazbak
and things. Assalamu alaikum. And after we come drink mango juice.
Mango juice.
All right, wonderful. We have got the bar here. We have a sugar cane. I love sugar cane.
Yeah, when we come, can you bring?
Okay, I will drink sugar cane juice after we come.
When you finish, you come back.
Wonderful. We have the Egyptian flag in front of us. Very beautiful. And the banana plantation started.
Banana flower.
Banana flower. Do you eat this here in Egypt?
No, we eat this.
Yes. In Sri Lanka, I traveled there. They are making curry from this. They cut it small pieces and make a curry.
Sure.
Yes. It's so good.
Good?
I'm surprised you don't try here.
No, here no.
But you have lots of banana in Egypt. Yes. Okay. I know, like this is normal. Everyone eats this banana, but in Sri Lanka or India too, they eat the flower, the banana flower.
No, here no. Here we throw.
Yes.